in you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I just wanted to show you guys how I painted my bedroom set. And it's really cute. Hope you guys like it. Wait till the end of the video. I'll show you guys the whole bedroom. So first primer is done and I have to stop and get ready for work. Hi baby! And the drawers are ready for primer also. Already cleaned it and hopefully I'll prime it today. Okay, so this is our bedroom. So my husband hung that sign for me. I don't know if you guys can see, but my ceiling is like really high. So this is it. That's my husband's TV when he plays his game. And this top right here, I just took it up from downstairs. And that's it. I really love how it turns down. I mean, it's so pretty. My husband's socks, his shorts, this is his undershirts, and all his PJ's t-shirts. My PJs. These drawers right here is just whatever, like beanies, bathing suits that don't use. And all my tights, my undershirts for work. All my workout stuff someday. And the jackets that I don't use. and my workout stuff. And this light right here is from Amazon, and this flower also. And this right here is from Home Goods, and the flowers, they're from Amazon. This right here, guys, I don't know if you can see, our bed is very high, and I've been having a hard time to find like bed cover that would cover the whole bed. But I found this at Amazon, and then I just loved it. I love it so much. So easy to make the bed. It goes all the way down on the floor. And there's more lights. Oh, and I want to show you guys this. This right here, we had this for almost 25 years. I was just telling my husband, I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe we had this for so long. And that's the rest of the room up there. I love my room. Hi baby. Okay, I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. Bye!